Good evening from a really wet Hollywood studios. We're here tonight actually after park close. So the park closed at 8 p.m. and it's officially after 8. We jumped in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway right at 7:59 p.m. So a little known fact, I'm sure a lot of you are aware though, is that if you get in line for an attraction right before the park closes, you're guaranteed a ride. So we are officially the last ones in line for Runaway Railway. You can see they closed it behind us. So we're going to go ahead and be the last ones on and see how exactly long an estimated wait time after the park closes is. So we're going to be riding after the official park closing, which I think that's cool. We got in line, like I said, at 7:59. So right around 8. It's currently about 8:05. And going to give you a little bit of the estimate about the wait time you could expect to see yourself waiting right at the end of the day at Hollywood Studios. So one of the things they're doing right now towards the end of park close, and kind of they want to get people undercover, so typically you'd start your entrance over here and come out. You go through a whole bunch of cattle herders out the back, and you'd come back towards the front entrance here and follow the please wait here markers to the front. But instead of getting soaked, they're taking people through a side entrance here, right into the Chinese theater, so you can stay undercover the entire time. Also, it's probably a lot shorter, especially for the end of the night like this. Ooh, sliding glass door of mystery right into the theater. Making sure we're maintaining social distance, of course. We get to walk past the actual main entrance. That's cool. And you get to see the cast member close the door up behind us. So we are the last ones in. As we've discussed before.
Hi guys, welcome. You're gonna head right that way and go on into the cartoon world.
Thank you. So they're not doing the pre-show right now, so you had to just right in. Current time check. It posted a 25-minute wait. We are currently at way less than that. It's about 10 minutes so far. And we're inside. We should be on within another 10 minutes, I would say. So, yeah, that was 15 minutes right at the end of the night to ride. Not too bad. Not too bad at all.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How do you do?
Hey, Mick and Minnie.
Be sure to take good care of our friends.
Where we wait? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch. Minnie, let's get that runaway train.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's...
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so
That's it. Last one's on the ride. It's currently 8:25. Well, that about wraps it up here from Hollywood Studios. So it is possible to ride an attraction after the park closes officially. Runaway Railway posted a 25-minute wait. We were in and out within 25 minutes, including the actual attraction and a little bit of wait on the ride itself. So I consider that a huge win. We waited minimal time. We got to the park at 7 o'clock tonight to just wander around quickly. But make sure you're staying towards the end of the day if you're going to come to the theme parks. Any day, even before all this COVID stuff. You want to stay the full day. You want to have fun. You want to do everything you can. And at the last minute, if you can do one more ride, why not, right? But hey, thanks for watching. Signing off for the day. And this is Brett with the Schmoofs.